Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change display brightness on Zotac Gaming handheld. And to do this, we have two different options. First one is to click on our toolbar in the bottom right corner of our screen, and then you'll be able to adjust the brightness using a slider right here. The other way to do it is to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, and then open System. Here you'll be able to find the display, and then there's the brightness slider again. Now you can adjust it the same way. We can also click on the arrow next to it to change the brightness based on the content, and we can put it on off, always, or on a battery only. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.